Save smarter with Fifth Third's relationship rate. Grow your savings faster. It increases your savings APY when you link qualifying accounts and services. Higher APY means your money compounds more quickly, so your balance grows on its own. Qualifying relationships include checking, savings, credit, and mortgage products. Each added relationship can lift your APY. Simple, automatic, and ongoing. Here's a clear example to show the impact. If your base APY is 0.05% and relationship rate raises it to 0.4%, on $10,000 you earn about $35 more in a year. That extra interest compounds year after year and accelerates long-term growth. No added risk, no extra work, just smarter choices that reward you. Fifth Third offers easy online tools and branch support to help you qualify. Start today. Rates change over time, so the sooner you qualify, the sooner you earn more. Open an account at fifththird.com or visit a local branch to get started.